In this guide, you'll learn how to download NFL Playoff Bracket 2026 on mobile. First, launch your preferred browser. Now, search for NFL Playoff Bracket 2026 PDF or Printable NFL Playoff Bracket 2026. Make sure the source is reliable and clearly shows the AFC and NFC playoff structure used by National Football League. Once you find a bracket you like, tap on the download link. This is usually a PDF or image link. On most phones, tapping the file will automatically download it to your device. After downloading, you can open the bracket using your phone's Files app or PDF viewer. From there, you can zoom in, mark winners digitally, or even print it if needed. If you want to edit the bracket directly on your phone, you can use free apps like Google Drive, Adobe Acrobat, or Notes to write on brackets. Another option is to take a screenshot of the bracket image and note it using your phone's built-in editing tools. Downloading an NFL bracket on mobile is perfect for playoff pools, predictions, or tracking games on the go. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.